What up? I've been requested by Kieran not to swear in this video, so I'm gonna try my best. Just walking to work. It's a little bit chilly. Snow's pretty nice though. Nice and soft. There's my accommodations. Over there. Pretty good, very nice. Yeah. Got a level 2 this afternoon, standby this morning. Could kind of do the hours to be honest, so hopefully I do get a lesson. If not, then I might do sleep. So yeah. Yeah, might do sweep. It's an extra hour. Okay, especially if I don't get any lessons. Yeah. Don't really know what else to say, to be honest. Not allowed to swear, so yeah. I think Kieran's got private today because he's a bit. I can't say that. I'm trying to make this edit zero. I'm trying to make this video zero editing for him. But yeah. So it's pretty shit video too. Oh fuck! I just swear. Oh fuck! Oh shit. Okay, well you've only got like 10 seconds to edit there. So, but I was just gonna say it's a pretty video. Stop swearing. Okay, just edit like that 30 seconds out, and you'll be fine. Bye.
So this is a video for Jackson. I finally remembered. There you go. I finally remembered to bring the sticker. So you're gonna have a Kieran Key photographic sticker.
Push a massive boot.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know why you want it. My face is on it. My face is gonna be.
You just dropped your cap
on your helmet. Did I really?
Yeah, you did.
Oh well.
Sorry, I saved it. It's a little dirty now though.
It's okay.
It's got some.
Oh wow,
It's got some gondola gunk on it.
Thinking now.
Yeah.
Luckily it's on the outside. But yeah, so he's got that. And then I tried to beat the system. So and I think in BC, if you work like 7 days in a row, you get paid double on your least paying day. So I decided, cleverly, what I'd do is I'd book a private, or get someone to book me in private on my day off. But the sneaky schedulers just moved my day off to somewhere else.
Yeah.
That's not fair.
When's your day off then?
So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get another private on my next day off.
When's your next day off?
It's going to be today.
Yeah.
Just today.
But they moved it.
And they moved it so to Friday.
Oh.
So I need to find someone to book a private on Friday. And then one of my days gets doubled.
Yeah.
And I probably get in trouble. But it's fine. I can't get in trouble for getting people to book lessons, can I?
That's true.
Oh, Kieran, you got too many privates, you need to stop. No.
Well, I'm making you money.
Exactly. Yeah, but you have to have a day off. Why? What do you think I'm going to do on my day off? Well, probably go skiing or snowboarding. Exactly, so I might as well teach people, right?
That is also true and also fair. Did you get woken up last night, Kieran?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Housemates, my patience is wearing thin.
Yeah.
As I just wrote to them in the message, I'm all up for going to Sam's, bringing people back, hosting parties, hosting drinks, do whatever you want to do. But if it's after midnight, yeah, or at least try and keep your voice down rather than just coming in as if it's 4 PM. Because some of us have work to do. Actual, proper work.
Yeah.
Well, that's got to be cut out.
Yeah, it does. Okay, well that's Gondola track. Goodbye.